Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my place. Aseshal speaks messages, Gypsy, which tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Bharat, namaste. Alright, so let's start. Follow on Insta, haven't mentioned, SSHE, LLS, Seychelles running. And my email is there if you want to book private reading or all that stuff. Aseshal speaks messages at @gmail.com. You may check the spelling and all that stuff here. Thank you for donations. You may support the channel because for these lovely readings if you like. Anyways, let's begin. Okay, I'm having two decks here. Right away I've shuffled and cards are out. One from Rider-Waite and Morgan. Okay, two cards are out from this. We're going to start now. So the message that is coming is, it is difficult for them to convey you, whatever that is. It is difficult for them to say, to tell you exactly what they feel, because that's what they're hiding, kind of like. So there's a secrecy around you people. If this is concerned with your work matter, then goes that way. We're going to shuffle and figure out what. But there is something which is difficult, either for you to convey to the person, but I see like it is difficult for them to convey to you or to tell you exactly. Now the first card that is coming is the Moon, so there may be Piscean. Pisces sign is very frequent here. Most of the times in my readings, water signs are coming, no matter which deck I use. Again, you have Temperance, maybe there is Sagittarius. Also, I see most of Piscean, of course, and Cancer, Scorpio, or fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I have to say that because they are telling me to. What is the matter? Please ignore the sound. Something is red, R-E-D. Now, when I say something is red, it's kind of like a page, paper or something, like the way we cover something up is with a sound. But the problem here is that this is all red. Someone's in love. Okay, so it is difficult for this person to convey exactly what they feel. There's duality in this situation. Also secrecy. So secrecy is that I do feel but I won't say, or I do feel and I'm unable to say. So it's also, when I see Moon card, I always say there's a lot of bark left. When I say a lot of bark left, means there's a lot of talk left. And barking is connected with dog, and dog is connected with loyalty and faithfulness. Okay, so if anyone is getting offended, don't get offended with the word, oh my god, she used bark. Though I know people understand and they don't go against that. They know that this is all symbolism and they do respect it. That's why I respect you guys. With the Temperance, there is something that is supposed to be coming in fusion together. Okay, you people need to balance, or this balance will only come when someone will end up telling you this. Okay, that's what I say. Let me take a break. Okay, with the Moon, the secrecy they hold, the secret emotions they hold, the illusion someone is living in. And from Morgan, there is Seven of Pentacles. Someone is waiting here. I mean, I don't know whether you have that much of patience and if you've been keeping that, but this is something connected with being patient. You have to wait, but why kind of energy. But it makes sense for people who are going through such phases. They know more of the person. I don't know, I'm just a messenger here. I'm going to convey you what is coming. Look, there is someone who is waiting, kind of like a desperation also here, but more of like focused patience, right? And beneath this is Six of Cups energy. Okay, when it was just like this, I thought, and I was not looking at that number, I felt as if it's like Two of Cups energy, which is not, but this is Six of Cups energy. This is about desire to get in contact, but it is difficult for this person to tell you that they miss you. I feel this energy is about that they miss you. Oh wow, so I said even Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and you have Queen of Rods energy, which is Wands. Okay, but this is about looking forward to meet you, looking forward to meet each other, and then end up saying what exactly they feel inside. Maybe you're dealing with someone, no matter on and off, who seem though like a scorchy sun. Okay, rude. Sun is beautiful, but when you keep seeing that sun and scorchy, you feel hot, right? And you feel like, I should not see directly. Like Moon, you can see directly with bare eyes, but sun, for how long you can see, and you should not see it directly. Like for like, you should not do that. I feel like the person might see you as the sun, or in that case, as an energy form. This is something scorchy. Maybe they seem though rude while they talk, but they want to say a lot to you. So they are unable to. First card is Eight of Wands energy, and second card is Knight of Pentacles energy. The talk that is supposed to come, or the thing that they're looking forward to convey, conversation, movement. Knight of Pentacles, something that they are hoping, but something that is being, it's like on hold or on pause. But for me, it's also the energy of pickup. So maybe they're looking forward to have this pickup with you while talking, okay? Knight of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Someone is looking forward to make a move, or maybe they're going to start fresh conversation with you. But it is difficult, or it is hard for them to convey you exactly what they feel inside. And what they feel is the sincerity and the secrecy. I think they don't know what to do. Maybe you're dealing with someone whose intuition is not working that great. Maybe right now they're unable to decide what exactly they should do. Maybe they look at you as the High Priestess, but this card is upside down. Okay, so this is something that they are figuring out, I feel. With this, they look at you like this as well. It is very difficult. I feel like, let's put that. For them, you're very mysterious, whether you're male or female. You're very mysterious kind of energy, and they don't know what you are up to, or what you are thinking about, or what exactly you may think about if they approach you. Seeking answers. I feel like someone is on pause most of the time. Most of the time. Pauses means they can't make a move, or they are unable to deliver you what exactly they want to deliver to you. Okay, if this can go vice versa, goes vice versa. Okay, I'm telling you, in future, when you won't expect, and that is going to be unexpected approach from this person's side, most probably 80 to 90%, I suppose. Two of Cups energy, the one I talked about. Reunion, closure, no closer. Okay, high vibe of reunion. Someone gonna tell you this, and this may give you that energy of like unexpected. I mean, even they won't be aware that they're going to make this kind of move towards this energy. You have Ace of Cups. So if people are having like what is difficult for them to convey, this is difficult for them to convey to you that they love you. It is like claiming this thing. I'm telling you that they are mostly on the pauses because they don't know how to, which is difficult, right? Making up mind, clarifying the other person. Two of Cups. Holding close some matters, not opening up about, having their own complications, but then also feeling possessive from far possible. Someone does feel that for you. And this is also something that they know inside, fear of losing. Like if this slips, this is gonna slip. But right now maybe money is on their mind, other things are on their mind. They're holding something very close to their heart. They haven't revealed it yet. Okay, but it is also very difficult for them to pick themselves up because they are being combined, or let's just say not combined. It's something that when you are being tied to something, yes, so someone might be feeling very tied to their aura, to their schedule, to their work. Okay, I think that they want to make this offer to you. This is what they are holding also very close. What's in their mind, what's in their heart. Okay, money is stopping them, financial issues possible, they are going through struggles or something, but Ace of Cups is in their heart. They want to make this move. Like Knight of Wands energy, what is in future? Look, someone gonna win someone's heart, or let's just move because they're going to win something. Maybe some good news is coming your way. Six of Wands is also rest after the offer. whatever the offer is. May it be work related or love related. Conversation is coming. Knight of Swords. Okay. Why this High Priestess is reversed here? Okay, look. Unable to decide. Really confused, or let's just say cannot make up mind how to. So not being able to figure out the process or way of conveying something. That's what I said, Two of Swords. Someone is at cross and they are also making you that. With the High Priestess, you don't know what is coming. You don't know what this person's move is, next move is, or your move is, okay? I said what is coming, what is coming. Two things. I can see the Sun, the Lovers is most important, with the Judgment here, okay? Now with the Lovers, Gemini, but with the Lovers, what is coming? Love offer is coming. Decision is coming. Second calling or third calling, however this fits you. 11:11 was recording time. With the Judgment, this is like a callback. This is something, this is the time, okay? Decision of or in the mid. Decision of taking things ahead. Decision on making your mind and then deciding suddenly you're the one. And let's move. So high reunions. Why? With the Sun, I said so that you may see this person as a son, or maybe this person is thinking about having son with you, means bright future with you. With the Sun, maybe a Leo, but they have a better idea, or maybe the situation is having a better idea, whatever you're going through right now. With the Moon, there is duality, and the secrecy is Sun. So love, okay? And with the Judgment, yes, goes that way. I hope this is going to help you. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon.